Now, the last question ties into that one similarly. Should Forex traders pay attention to equities? And I think absolutely. As active traders in financial markets, we need to know what's going on everywhere. I keep Bloomberg on in the back. I just subscribed to their upgraded service the other day. So I'm always about seeing what's going on across all markets, not just in US equities, but also in Australian markets and also in European markets. I want to know what's in Japanese markets. I want to know how is the world reacting, because that drives volatility in Forex, and volatility means opportunity when you have a good system. If you have something that tells you when to get in, when to get out, where to put your stop loss, where it could possibly go, then yes, this volatility is fantastic, and we want to pay attention to the equity market and like I said, the European market and the world markets, so we know what's going on. So when US markets are getting smacked, I'm able to say, okay, let's keep the euro long bias and look for longs. Find opportunities on EuroCAD to buy it, and boom, we make money following what's going on in the equity market, knowing that equities are going down. I mean, today, I think they're down 1,800 points. I mean, getting smacked. We can use that to then say, let's buy EuroCAD, and that's why I made 14% today. So absolutely, as an active trader in the market, you have to pay attention to everything, but it's important to say you want to know what you know and know what you don't know. And that was like, I think, an Albert Einstein quote, I think, and it's so true. I know my systems work. I know what I know. I know news events shake them up. I know I got to avoid those high impact events, but past that, I know what works, and I don't know everything, but I know what works for me, and that's what I'm going to focus on. So can I explain to you why the news events do what they do? No, but I know what they do. I know that they do what they do, and I know how to avoid that and avoid that choppiness, that volatility that can hurt me. And then I can then shift it and put myself in a better probability position to use the volatility to my advantage. So I hope